Hello everyone. By now, if you follow Apple news to any degree, probably familiar with Facebook and Apple war on app tracking transparency. Starting with iOS 15, Apple is going to start doing something new. Apple in iOS 14.5 introduced app tracking transparency, which requires app developers to ask for express permission before accessing the IDFA for tracking users across apps and websites. On app tracking transparency, Facebook launched a campaign attempting to position Apple as an enemy of small businesses, and even took out full-page newspaper ad decrying this new feature. And right now, if you think that this feature is affecting Facebook revenue, you are wrong. For now, Facebook announced its financial 2021 second quarter results with $29 billion in revenue, representing a 56% year growth, with fastest growth than Apple and Microsoft during the same period. It seems that Facebook haven't affected by the privacy change introduced with iOS 14.5, at least for now. This was a short summary about the war between Facebook and Apple. Now, let's come down to the main question and topic of the video. What next for the Facebook ads after iOS 15? We will know after the ATT update on iOS 15, will Facebook be affected? Or their revenue will be reduced? Or Facebook will find some other way to show you ads even after the Apple iOS update? I will keep this video short and simple because in the future, Facebook will start to lose billions of dollars annually. The main reason will be that Facebook cannot track Apple users who have enabled ATT tracking. Because Facebook cannot even track users who haven't disabled ATT tracking with their IP address. No, Apple turns the user's IP address to a random one before sending it to a third-party application. And this is the reason Facebook is going in a war with Apple, because Apple have shut the main door to any website or application they were using to track a user. It's not the first time Facebook ads are losing billions of dollars with some ad policies. In 2019, Twitter put a ban on political advertising, and the same Google did in 2020. Which put enough pressure on Facebook to ban political advertisement. Meanwhile, Facebook probably lost tens of millions in advertising revenue over the span of a few months. And if you talk about this war, Facebook don't have a chance in winning. If Apple have introduced this app tracking feature, it will not take time for Google to introduce it too in Android. Because Google is also pushing Android and making it better at privacy, like asking permissions, alerting users if application is performing background tasks, removing apps from Play Store that spy or put any kind of bad effect on users, and many more. And if this happened, Facebook just not only lose billions of dollars but can also affect Facebook ads to shut down the income source of Facebook. Facebook only gets 3% of Facebook users that uses active desktop Facebook application. And if Facebook cannot track this 97% of the users, they cannot show ads as per users' need. So for now, we have to see what step Facebook takes on app transparency to survive in future. In the end, the biggest question is what will happen to Facebook advertisers if something like this happens in the future. So that's the story for some other video.